was in pain. Rumi holds her kitten, hiding the shame. Mira laughs loud, Zoey joins in too. Rumi can't do.
She walks away, heartbreaking slow, but inside her chest a dream still glows. In a tiny room with cracks in the wall, Rumi dances freely, forgetting it all. They filmed her moves, posted her tears, not knowing fate was already near.
They turned off the music, shut down the sound, but Rumi's voice still shook the ground. No beat, no light, no fear inside. She sang her truth, she stood with pride. Mira and Zoey to bring her down, but the crowd stood up.